Cauliflower has a special structure, making it one of the most difficult vegetables to clean. The crevices and gaps of cauliflower are often hiding places for toxic chemicals from spraying and parasites and insects. If you only wash it with water, you can only clean about 30% of this vegetable. This is equivalent to eating toxins and insect eggs. Today, I will guide you on how to clean dirt on broccoli correctly with just salt and flour. Let's see. First, prepare a broccoli plant. Then, use scissors or a knife to cut each branch into small pieces. Separating it like this will make it easier to clean the crevices inside. Don't throw away the stem. Many people often waste and throw away this part because they think they are inedible. But in fact, they are delicious, crunchy, and nutritious. Broccoli is one of the most popular and necessary green vegetables in daily life. The content of protein, vitamins, minerals, trace elements, and other nutrients in broccoli is higher than many other vegetables. Even when boiled, broccoli is still delicious, so using it to supplement daily nutrition is a great choice. However, although broccoli is very nutritious and easy to eat, due to its special structure, the florets stick together, it often contains pesticide residues. In daily life, many people just wash the broccoli with water and then start processing. But in fact, this method is incorrect, because the broccoli is not completely cleaned. It can be harmful to health. So what should we do? First, wash the cut broccoli in clean water to remove dirt. Then add 2 tablespoons of salt to the basin of water and soak the broccoli for about 15 minutes. Salt has the effect of killing worm eggs and parasites. After 15 minutes, take out the cauliflower. Do not soak it for too long or it will turn black. The next step is to add 2 tablespoons of flour to the basin of water. Stir the flour well and then soak the cauliflower for another 15 minutes. Using flour to wash vegetables and fruits is an effective tip used by many housewives. Flour has the ability to absorb and wash away impurities, helping to remove dirt, bacteria, and chemicals on the surface of food. The starch in flour creates an adhesive layer, helping to remove dirt that is difficult to wash away and cannot be completely cleaned with normal water. Research and practical experience show that washing vegetables with flour not only cleans the surface but is also safe for health, because flour is a natural, benign ingredient. In addition, flour does not affect the nutritional quality of vegetables and fruits, helping to preserve the flavor and freshness. After soaking in flour for 15 minutes, take it out and rinse it with clean water. Thus, you have removed dirt and impurities in the crevices of the cauliflower. Above is the method of cleaning cauliflower with salt and flour. Hopefully the above method will help you and your family have safer meals. Thank you for watching my videos. Click to subscribe to the channel to support me. See you in the next videos.